Good morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? Very good. All of you open your course book. EVS course book, page number 58. Open your EVS course book, page number 58. Religions in India. What's the lesson name? Religions in India. What are the religion? What is a religion? Religion is a set of beliefs. Different religions are there in our India. A lot of religions. Hinduism, Christianity, Islamic, Buddhism, Jainism, like that a lot of religions. Religions are there in our India. Different religions are having different culture. All the religions don't have the same culture. Different religions are having different culture. Here Nana, Hindus are there. Hindus are having the different culture and Muslims are having the different culture. They won't be tally. Hindus culture, Muslims culture tally avvadu. It won't be tally. Like the different religions are having the different culture. You have seen in your locality or in your neighborhood, you have seen Islamic means Muslims. You have seen the Muslims. While the Muslims ladies are going out, they use burqa. That is their culture. When Muslims are Hindu women wear the sari and using the tikki and also bangles. That is their tradition. By looking their appearance, ఎవరినైనా వాళ్ళ అపియరెన్స్ చూసి మనం హిందూస్లో ముస్లిమ్స్ అని మనం ఈజీగా ఐడెంటిఫై చేయొచ్చు మనం. Isn't it? మీ లొకాలిటీలో మీ నైబర్హుడ్లో ముస్లిమ్స్ని హిందూస్ని క్రిస్టియన్స్ వాళ్ళని చూస్తూ ఉంటారు కదా. వాళ్ళ అపియరెన్స్, వాళ్ళ డ్రెస్సింగ్, by seeing the dressing you can identify them what is the religion of that. Okay, you can observe now. Here, what are these places meant for, or what are they called? Here, different religions. All actually, Nana, one thing is common to all the religions. One thing is common. What is common? Worshipping, praying to God. All the religion people pray to God by different names. That is the common thing. All the religions worship the God. And the religions వాళ్ళు God ని పూజిస్తారు. అవునా? That is common thing. That is a common thing. All the religions have the temples, have the holy buildings, have the holy buildings. All the religions ki holy buildings ఉన్నాయి. Ma Hindus go to temple. Temple is a holy building to them, holy place to the Hindus. Temple is the holy place. Here, this is a temple. Our building, Hindus temples are like this. This is the mosque. Looking, the building looking is different. By seeing the structure, building structure, we can understand whose temple is this, whose holy place is this. మనము ఆ బిల్డింగ్ చూడగానే మనం అనుకుంటాం ఇది ఎవరిదో. ఇది చూడగానే ఏమనుకుంటాం రా, దిస్ ఈస్ హిందూస్ టెంపుల్. యూ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్. బై సీయింగ్ దిస్ we know that this is looking mosque. Mosque is the holy place for the Muslims. Mosque is the holy place for the Muslims. By saying this, what you can understand? Here, this is the church. By looking the appearance only, by looking the appearance, we know that that is a church. Church is the holy place for the Christians. Church is the holy place for the Christians. Next, what is this? It's a Gurudwara. It is a Gurudwara. Gurudwara is a holy place to the Sikhs. Sikh. Do you know Sikh? Sikh people. Sikh people who go to Gurudwara to worship. Here, Sikh. These are the Sikh people. Sikh people go to Gurudwara to worship. Different people, different religions people having the different build holy places. But what is the common thing? All would offer the prayers to the God. All the religion people would offer prayer to the God. అందరూ దేవుని పూజిస్తారు. That is the common thing. Okay? Now come to the lesson. Who celebrate the festival associated with this? Amma, who celebrated like this? They decorate the tree. This is a Christmas tree, no? Who celebrate this festival? Christians. It is related to Christians. Who is offering? Who offers prayers as shown here? Amma, who prayer like this to the God? Muslims. Amma, can you guess who wears turbans as shown here? By this appearance, we know that they are the Sikh people. Sikh family is there. Here is the Sikh family. By appearance only, we can understand who are the people related to which reason. Okay? Next. National festivals are celebrated by every Indian throughout the country. Whereas some festivals are celebrated by few people only. Why? What are these festivals called? Name some of them. Why are so many festivals celebrated in our India? Our national festivals. What are the national festivals? Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. These three are called the national festivals. These national festivals are celebrated all over India. That's what they are called the national festivals. Understand me? What are national festivals? Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. These three festivals were celebrated all over India. All the Indian people, not only Muslims, not only Hindus, not only Sikhs, not only them, but all over the India people, all the Indians. All the Indians celebrate these national festivals. That's what they are called national festivals. But some festivals are celebrated for some people only. Not all the people. Dasara is there. Who celebrate Dasara? Only Hindus will celebrate Dasara. Not all of the India people celebrate Dasara. Dasara undira. India motta celebrate cheskuntara festival. All over the India people celebrate. Indians mottam Dasara celebrate cheskuntara. Indians mottam Deepavali celebrate cheskuntara. They will celebrate. All over the India people will celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi. No, only some of the people. Some people, some Indians only celebrate those festivals. Ramzan. All the people celebrate Ramzan. Bakrid. All the people celebrate Bakrid. No, only some of the Muslims only celebrate all of the Muslims celebrate the Ramzan, Bakrid, Muharram, those festivals. Christmas. Hindus celebrate Christmas festival. Christmas is celebrated all over India. Christmas festival ni India మొత్తం సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకుంటారా? No. Some people only celebrate Christmas. Like that. Not all. National festivals are celebrated all over India. National festivals are celebrated by all over India. India people మొత్తం సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకుంటారు. But some religious festivals are celebrated by some people. Some religious festivals are celebrated by only some people. They are the religious festivals. That's what we have lot of festivals in India. India only Hindus unnara. In India only Hindus are there. Only Muslims are there. Only Christians are there. Only Sikhs are there. Only Jainis are there. All are the religions. All the religion people are there in our India. Different religion people are there. Different religion people are there in our India. అన్ని రకాల రిలీజియన్ పీపుల్స్ ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి మన ఇండియాలో చాలా ఫెస్టివల్స్ చేసుకుంటాం. వి సెలబ్రేట్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఫెస్టివల్స్. ఓకే, Indians will celebrate lot of festivals. We have lot of festivals because different religion people are there. Different religion people are there. Different religion people మన ఇండియాలో ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి మనం చాలా ఫెస్టివల్స్ సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకుంటాం. డిఫరెంట్ రిలీజియన్స్ ఏంటో చూడండి. What do these names represent? Hinduism is one religion. Hindu. Islam. This is a symbol of Islam. This is Omkaram is a symbol of Hindus. Omkaram undara ikkada madhyalo. This is a symbol of Hindus. This crescent moon and also the star is a symbol of Islam, means Muslims. ఇది Muslims యొక్క symbol. This is plus but long stick is a symbol of Christianity. Christmas, Christians is a symbol for the Christians. Christianity. This is the Sikhism. This is a symbol of Sikhism. Symbol for the Sikhism religion. Buddhism religion. See Nana? Buddhism. Do you know Gautam Buddha? Gautam Buddha is the founder of the Buddhism. Okay? Next, Jainism. Mahavira is the founder of Jainism. Okay? Hand. Have you seen? This is the symbol of Jainism religion. This is a symbol of Zoroastrianism. Zoroastrianism is a symbol for that. And Judaism. Judaism is symbol, religion symbol is this. And Buddhism. Bahaism is one of the religion. This is a symbol for Bahaism. Like the different religions are there. You mostly knows only four religions: Hindus, Muslims, Christians and Sikhs. ఈ ఫోర్ తెలుసుగా మీకు. ఇంకా కొత్తగా చూడండి, బుద్ధిజం, జైనిజం, జొరాస్ట్రియిజం, and Judaism and Bahaism. These four also there in our India. Totally how many religions are there? 8 religion peoples are there in our India. That's what we have lot of festivals. These are the names of the different religions adopted and practiced by the citizens of our country. In this lesson, we will learn about different religions in India. India is a land where people of different religions and cultures live in harmony with religious tolerance and mutual respect. It is also the birthplaces of some great religions. The masses of love and brotherhood is evident in the celebration of different religions festivals throughout our country. These are the symbols of different religions. These are the symbols of different religions. In this lesson, we are going to learn about them. About the different religions. In this lesson, we are going to learn about them. And that's what only we have lot of festivals. India is the land. India is a land where different people, all the religions are there in our India. Only India. In our only India. India lo matrame all the religion people are there. మన ఇండియాలో మాత్రమే అన్ని రకాల రిలీజియన్ పీపుల్ మన ఇండియాలో మాత్రమే ఉన్నారు. ఓకే, అండ్ హౌ దే ఆర్ లివింగ్? దే ఆర్ లివింగ్ హార్మోన్లీ. దే లివ్ harmoniously means they are living happily. Different religion people are there in our India. మన ఇండియాలో డిఫరెంట్ రిలీజియన్ పీపుల్ ఉన్నారు. How they are living? They are living happily. Different people are there, but all are living happily and togetherly. Togetherly, unitedly. Understand me? You have a brother. You have much affection on your brother. మీ బ్రదర్ అంటే నీకు చాలా అఫెక్షన్ ఉంటుంది. పక్కింటి అబ్బాయి అంటే నీకు అంత అఫెక్షన్ ఉంటుందా? అంత ఇష్టం ఉంటుందా? ఉండదు. బట్ ఇన్ అవర్ ఇండియా డిఫరెంట్ రిలీజియన్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ దేర్, బట్ ఆల్ ఆర్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ, ఆల్ ఆర్ యునైటెడ్, ఆల్ ఆర్ టుగెదర్, ఆల్ ఆర్ లివింగ్ హ్యాపీలీ. Okay, and our India is having different religion people and also different these religions are symbols of great men birthdays. These religions are symbol of the great people birthdays. Christmas is celebrated on the birthday of Jesus Christ. Okay, Christmas is celebrated on the birthday of Jesus Christ. And here 6 celebrate Good Friday. It is why they celebrate that day their guru was born on that day. That's what they celebrate Guru Parva. Guru Parva is a symbol of their great Guru's birthday, Guru Nanak's birthday. Guru Nanak was born on Guru Parva. On that day, that's what in the memory of his birthday they celebrate Guru Parva. Like that different religion people will celebrate different festivals on the occasions of their great people birthdays, their gurus birthdays, their founders birthdays. Okay, next, what is a culture? Culture is the way of life of a group of people, their behaviors, beliefs and values that are accepted and passed from one generation to the next. Culture. What is a culture? Culture is a way of living. Culture is a way of living. మనం ఎలా బ్రతకాలి అన్న బ్రతకని తెలియాలి కదరా. సో culture, we formed one of the culture. Your ancestors set the culture to you, how to live, how to lead your life, how to behave in the society, how to take respect from others. If you believe like this, if you live like this, you are respected by all. It was taught by your ancestors, by our ancestors. Our ancestors tell us how to live in the society. That is the culture. నా ancestors మనం ఎలా ఉండాలి, ఎలా ఉండకూడదు అవన్నీ మనకు నేర్పించారు. యాన్సిస్టర్ నుండి మీ ఫాదర్స్, ఫోర్ ఫాదర్స్కి, ఫోర్ ఫాదర్స్ నుండి ఫాదర్స్కి, ఫాదర్స్ నుండి మీకు ఇలా వన్ బై వన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కమింగ్ యాజ్ ఎ హెరిటేజ్. That is a culture. Culture is a way of living. Culture is a way of, if you know the culture well, you are respected by all. It passes from one place to one person to another person. Means ancestors given the culture, set the culture to your forefathers. Forefathers set the culture to your fathers. Father set the culture to you. This is the way. It is passed away from one generation to another generation. Culture is a way of living which make you a great person. Okay? Next, religion. What is religion? Religion is a set of beliefs and practices to worship a superman controlling power, the supreme being or deity. Here, religion is a set of beliefs. Set of beliefs and practices to worship. Our religion is a set of beliefs and practices to worship. ఎలా వర్షిప్ చేయాలి అనేది కూడా వాళ్ళ దాంట్లో ఉంటుంది. ఆల్ ద రిలీజియన్ పీపుల్ won't worship in the same way. Different religion people worship in different ways. Okay, a set of their beliefs are different. Hindus believes, we believe something, Muslims believe something. Different religion people are having the different beliefs, different type of worshipping. A superman controlling a power. All are worshipped. Different people worshipped in the different way to a different god or a deity. Deity అంటే విగ్రహం. అలా డిఫరెంట్ విగ్రహాలకు పూజిస్తూ ఉంటారు. By that we can understand that which religion is he. Okay. Next, Hinduism. Hinduism, oldest religion of the world and the largest religion in India. It is known as Sanatana Dharma. There is no specific person who can be considered as a founder of Hinduism. It is actually a mixture of teaching from Vedas, teaching of ancient rishis and great saints, including religion, regional customs and traditions. These were carried forward through generally by teacher-disciple relations to help people lead a disciplined, disciplined social life. For many people, Hinduism is a culture, a way of life, a matter of practice rather than of beliefs, and it is more than a religion. Hinduism is the oldest religion in India. Hinduism is the oldest religion. That's what Hinduism is called as Sanatana Dharma. Hinduism. Is called as Sanatana Dharma. Sanatana Dharma because it is the oldest religion. Hinduism is the oldest religion in India. Who is the founder of Islamic? Muhammad Pravakta is the founder of the Islami. Who is the founder of Christian? Jesus Christ is the founder of the Jesus Christ is the founder of Christianity. Like that, who is the founder of Hinduism? No founder. There is nobody knows the founder of Hinduism. Nobody knows the founder of Hinduism. Hinduism founder and everybody teliyadu. Because it is the oldest religion. Where we are learning our culture, how we are following it. We are following this. We are following our culture and tradition by our ancestors. Amma, lot of people said that our Hinduism tradition and culture was written in the Vedas and Rishis. Hinduism culture and tradition was written in Vedas. Vedas లలో ఉంది ఇదంతా. హిందువులు ఇలాగే ఉండాలనే మన కల్చర్ని చెప్పేది వేదాలలో రాసింది. And who said this role to us? Rishis and great saints teach us how we have to be in the society. In the tomorrow class we will learn about this. Today's class is completed. Bye.